If you are searching for a job, you have probably heard of Indeed and LinkedIn. But which one is actually better for getting hired? In this video, I'll break down the key differences so you can decide which platform fits your job search best. What is Indeed? Indeed is one of the largest job search engines in the world. It collects job listings from company websites, job boards, and recruiters in one place. Key idea, it's focused purely on finding and applying to jobs quickly. What is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is more than a job board. It's a professional social network where you can connect with recruiters, build your profile, and showcase your experience. Key idea, it combines job searching with networking. Job search experience. Indeed, simple and fast job search. Filters like salary, location, and job time. Easy apply process. LinkedIn job listings plus company insights shows if you have connections at a company. Easy apply option for quick applications. Verdict. Indeed is better for fast applications, while LinkedIn gives more context and connections. Networking and visibility. Indeed, no real networking features. Employers find you mainly through your resume. LinkedIn, you can connect with recruiters and professionals. Posting and engaging increases visibility. Recruiters actively search for candidates. Verdict, LinkedIn is much stronger for networking and getting noticed. Job opportunities. Indeed, huge number of listings. Great for entry level, part time, and local jobs. LinkedIn, more professional and corporate roles. Better for mid to senior level positions. Verdict. Indeed has more volume. LinkedIn has more targeted professional roles. Profile versus resume. Indeed resume based applications. Simple profile setup. LinkedIn acts like a public digital resume, includes skills, endorsements, and recommendations. Verdict. LinkedIn gives you a stronger personal brand. Pros and cons. Indeed pros. Easy to use massive job listings, quick applications. Indeed cons, less personalization, no networking. LinkedIn pros. Strong networking, recruiter visibility, personal branding. LinkedIn cons. Takes time to build a strong profile, can feel competitive. Final verdict. So which one is better? Choose Indeed if you want fast, simple job applications. Choose LinkedIn if you want to build connections and grow your career long term. Best strategy, use both together. Apply on Indeed and network on LinkedIn for better chances of getting hired. And that is it for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get all the news about such topics. Let me know down below in the comments which platform worked best for you. Share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.